First, we create a div and use it as the parent div. This parent div serves as the main stage. Therefore, we'll need to set a size to it. For now, we'll add a temporary background color to it. The stage is ready. Next, we move it to the browser center using Margin 0 Auto. The first item is the logo image. The logo is clickable, therefore we put in the A tags. Then we assign a class to the img tag, item-1. In CSS, we float the image to the left. Next, item 2. Item 2 includes two parts, the input box and the submit button. For easier management, we create a div to hold them. We assign the class item-2 to the div. Inside the div, we put the two input tags, one for the input box and the other for the submit button. Then we assign float left to the item-2 class. Now the second item has been floated as well. Then the third item, the hyperlink list. Here we use the UL tag directly. There's no need to create another div. We assign the item-3 class to the UL tag. Inside the UL tag, the routing operation, li tag and a tag. Then we select all the li tags and float them to the left. But remember, you also need to assign float left to the UL tag as well. We can see we have already got the layout we want. We can adjust the location of each item using Margin. And next, we've got the last item. To make the result more obvious, we'll use a div to represent the button. We assign the item-4 class to the div. This div should be floated to the right. Refresh the page, and we can see we basically have achieved what we wanted. But there's a small issue. There's a gap between the top border of the parent div and the 4-item div. In the original design, the logo image, the input box, and the shopping cart button are all aligned to their top border. So how do we solve this problem? Well, first, we need to figure out why we've got this gap. This requires us to explore the important feature of floated sibling elements that we mentioned at the beginning of this lesson.